In CMS. Near me is Guido Tonelli. We've seen you clapping your hands, surrounded by happy physicists from the CMS collaboration. It was a historical, but especially a happy moment for you.
Yeah, hi Paola. First of all, you can see here from the faces and the brilliant eyes of the people that we have spent many days and many months of preparation for this moment, but basically at the end we are here, and we were expecting, to be really frank, just a few events, 1 per second or so, and we were really surprised to see rates at the level of 100 Hertz. That means 100 events per second. And event display, we are showing not only minimum bias event, but also something that could be immediately interesting. So we really are starting physics, and this is the first time in which we enter a new territory. Exploring 70 eV will be a fantastic adventure. We are just at the beginning. Clearly we have to do a lot of work. We have to understand our detector, to understand physics in this new region of energy. But if we are lucky, within a few months we'll be able to really start a major adventure in modern physics.
I see a wonderful image on the laptop of one of your collaborators, actually two of them, proudly presented as if it was a newborn baby. Can you tell us more about this event?
No, this is an event which is a minimum bias event with something like 30 or 40 tracks, releasing energy basically symmetrically in all calorimetry. The red and blue release of energy are describing the electromagnetic and hadronic component of the energy released. The fact that it is an elastic collision is demonstrated by the fact it is symmetric, and you have backward and forward calorimetry active, and also the barrel part of the detector is on. These are typical features of minimum bias events, so events that are useful to study the background situation of interesting events at 70 eV.
Okay, so you're really on the threshold of a new era of discoveries, and I wish you the best of luck with the continuation of this hunt for new particles, new forces, new knowledge in science, and especially in solving some of the mysteries that we've been describing so far during this live webcast. We certainly come back to you, to CMS, later on. We're now moving back to the...
Okay. Assuming that everybody in the control room hears me and sees Sergio Bertolucci, then I think what we should do, Sergio, we get up and do the same what the people in the control room did.
This is Director General from Japan and Sergio Bertolucci, Director for Research.
I must say we are both excited, no longer nervous. We are very happy, and we congratulate everybody involved, from the machine to all the experiments. It is a fantastic moment for science, and Lynn was saying it's the end of a long road. I would say it's the beginning of a long, fantastic era of particle physics, of fundamental science. Thank you very much. We are all excited. Great.
Thank you. You did an incredible, exceptional work. Yeah. And I wonder also one thing, if you are doing so well without Rolf and me being there, where you can get if we get also Steve?
Tera electron volt. And here we have, live from CMS, a comment on the first collision events just recorded at 7 tera electron volts. Hi CMS.
This is one of the first events that we collected, and as you can see, is a very nice event. So I have to look at but I can. So this is this event. You can see many tracks that are produced in the collision vertex, and there is also a very I don't know if you can see on the screen, but there is also a particle that is called a muon that is reaching the outside part of the detector. So this you can see in the bottom. So we already got very nice events.
Great, congratulations CMS. We are now coming back to the CCC for a live comment with the Director for Accelerate, Dr. Steve Myers.
Okay, so we have finally got the beams into collision at 3.5 TeV per beam. I think we're all very emotional, very happy. It's a great time for us, and this is the first real important milestone that we have for starting to do discovery physics in LHC. It's taken us 3 attempts this morning, as you probably noticed, but now we are in collision, now we are in stable beams, and the detectors are taking data continuously.